Hi, this is Christopher Sparrow with iTechYou.org, and I've got an unboxing today of the Misfit Vapor X Android Wear smartwatch. Now, to be honest, as I said before, this is an Android Wear based smartwatch, and to be honest, there isn't too much that's real special about this particular watch, all right? Except that neowin.com announced on August 3rd that Misfit was having what appeared to be a fire sale of not only the Vapor X, but their Vapor 2 and Vapor smartwatches as well. This particular smartwatch, the Vapor X, usually runs for about $279.99 at retail. All right. Misfit was selling these for $14.99. Now, if that's not a fire sale or a desperate attempt to get out of the market, or at least to go ahead and clear inventory to go ahead and introduce another product, I don't know. I've been back to misfit.com in the ensuing days after I originally placed my $15 order for the Vapor X and received it along with a brown leather band that's supposed to go with it. Unfortunately, there are no pins or posts that came with the band. It's just the band, so I've got to reuse those to go ahead and get rid of the lavender band that came with this gold watch, simply because there were no other watches or models available. Everything was sold out except two models by the time that I got there. One being the one that I bought, the gold model with the lavender silicone band, and I believe a silver model with a white silicone band. I opted for the gold simply because it's a color that I don't have. All right. Now, we're going to go ahead and take a look at this real quick. See if there's anything special in the box. What I can tell you is that this is a Bluetooth model, Bluetooth 4.2 communications device. It does have a GPS. It does not have any kind of cellular capabilities as some of the other watches that might be out there, including both the Apple Watch and the Samsung Galaxy Watch and the TicWatch 2020 Pro. All right. This particular model, again, just regular GPS, Bluetooth, and it is iPhone and Android compatible, obviously, since being an Android Wear watch. But let's go ahead and take a look. So I have not opened this up yet, and to be very, very honest, from what I can tell on the Misfit site, there really isn't too much that's special about this particular watch, which is unfortunate, since at $15 it was literally a steal. All right, so let's go ahead and pull this out. All right. It's not the easiest thing to exit the box, as you can see. So what we have in here, aside from the charging cable, all right, and the watch, and I don't know that this will go ahead and show up really well, but this is a very, very light mauve, or a very, very dusty light purple. All right, definitely not something for a man. The gold tone on the watch is a very light gold tone. It's almost silver. They could have sent me the wrong one because I did order gold. All right. In fact, to be honest, it is silver. Interesting. They sent me the wrong watch. They sent me the wrong watch probably because of the fire sale, it all being gone through very, very quickly. And to be honest, I'm not too surprised. There is a quick start guide in here again, but it is not very easy to get out. So there's a quick start guide here, and we'll go through that in just a minute. I've also got a very large warranty guide that is obviously going to be in multiple languages here. All right. Yes, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 different languages represented in this warranty booklet. There is a certificate of warranty as well as additional regulatory notices in the warranty. All right. So the quick start guide, and again, I have not looked at this, is covered in the same 20 languages. All right. It's basically step 1, charge and power on. So it tells you to pull the seal off of the back of the battery or the back of the sensor so that it'll go ahead and charge correctly. We'll do that right now. All right. That away. We will grab the charging cable, and it is your standard USB-A styled cable. All right. And we will plug it in, and we will go ahead and pull the sticker off of the front, and we'll place it on the charging sensor. Now, it does go ahead and turn on and show the Misfit label. It does vibrate, and the vibrate was very strong. All right, so the haptic feedback, I'm assuming, is going to be pretty good with this. I'll need to go ahead and grab my watch band tools to go ahead and pull the original band off, as well as attach the new one. So that'll take some time, and I'll go ahead and I'll take care of that later. Right now it is running through the standard Wear OS setup routine. If you've seen a if you have a Wear OS watch, or if you've seen it start up before, you'll see the 4 primary color dots: circle around, hold stationary, circle around again, and it'll do that while it's starting up. The step 2 for this is to download and pair Wear OS for iOS or for Android Wear or for Android, and go ahead and then pair it on either of your devices, regardless of which one you have. And that's effectively it. So this is really nothing more than a Wear OS based watch. I'm interested in this to go ahead and see how it stacks up against not only the TicWatch 2020 Pro, but as well as the Apple Watch and the Galaxy Watch. It's going to be closest to the TicWatch Pro, but the TicWatch is real sturdy. So we'll see how this goes ahead and sets up. I'll have something on it in terms of a brief review or product impressions on itechgear.org in the coming days. But for now, this is Christopher Spera for itechgear.org with the Misfit Vapor X Android Wear Smartwatch.